Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to place gimbal lock on your DJI Phantom 3, Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Pro. So basically when you turn around, your gimbal lock should look like this. That's how it's transported. So you can see that the lock is placed right on top of the gimbal, and to put this back is kind of a real hassle, because once you take it out, it's very hard to put it back. So what we are going to do is that we are going to take it out, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how to insert the gimbal lock on the DJI Phantom 3, Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Pro okay, so let's begin. Okay guys, so this is how we are going to do. So we will turn the drone upside down, and gently we will push this camera while holding the gimbal on the other hand, and we are going to push this out. Okay, push this out. Once it's done, you see this middle piece. This middle piece actually will go inside this one, so we have to center it. So we'll bring it like this. So you take it like this. So you take the gimbal lock like this, you turn your camera, hold it very gently, do not pressurize it or anything. Yeah, just hold it gently. It will not try to follow anything, but that's how you put it. And then once you fix this, there will be no gap between the camera and this gimbal lock. You just push this a little bit farther. Yeah, that's how you do it. Little bit farther, holding the camera from the other side. And after you're done, you hold the gimbal and you gently slide it in, and that's how your gimbal lock is back on again. So basically this gimbal lock will not last you for long, but anyways, you're not going to fly the Phantom like all day long or anything, you know, like not every day. So that's pretty much it. You just turn it around and you will see that your gimbal lock is on the Phantom. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you guys like the video or anything, this is a Phantom 3 SE which I'm using, but the same process is actually applicable for Phantom 4 and Phantom 4 Pro. So bye guys, and see you in my next video.